Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Femke and for today I have the new Holo Taco One-Coat Chrome collection to swatch for you guys to talk about and so on. To be honest, when I ordered this, I was like, this one is going to be super overhyped and not that special at all, but when I try these to record, like when I record videos like this, it is definitely my first try, so it is a good thing that I didn't keep the audio underneath the footage while recording, because there were a lot of holy effing shits while applying these polishes, because I kid you not, this is probably my favorite Holo Taco collection so far. And usually I'm not a big fan of like super metallic-y polishes because they tend to be super streaky, very sheer and so on, but this collection is the total opposite. I am obsessing over it. Just for the record, I am not sponsored or anything to do this video. I have purchased this set myself. It actually cost me $82 for the entire set, which includes 5 colored chrome polishes as well as the quick dry base that Holo Taco just recently launched as well. So of course I will be swatching these on my own natural nails. I do have a gel overlay which contains a thin layer of gel base coat as well as a gel top coat. I just do that to protect my nails from not only breaking or anything like that because they are quite long, but also from staining and discoloration while wearing nail polishes on top. So yeah, I'm just applying the quick dry base right here. You can get it separately as well if you feel like I only want a base or I only want a couple of the chrome polishes instead of the entire kit. The base actually goes for $12 each. Everything is available at holotaco.com. I think that is the only place where they actually sell them. So if you see them popping up online elsewhere, it might be knockoffs or maybe just random individuals selling their own polishes. So yeah, if you want to make sure it is all fresh and clean and never been opened before, just order at holotaco.com. And do make sure you check out any additional taxes because they are located in the States. So if you're like me and you're in Europe or for example the Netherlands like I am, there are always additional shipping costs as well as additional taxes that you have to pay. So it can add up quite fast, like price wise, so keep that in mind. So the first chrome polish that I will be swatching from this One-Coat Chrome collection, it is called World's First, and I do have to say I was a little thrown off by that name because in my opinion it isn't the world's first like silvery chrome polish that was very opaque. I have actually tried a Catrice Cosmetics, I think it was a limited edition chrome polish in silver. I've done a video on that years ago, I think like 4 or 5 years ago or something like that. It was quite good. I do have to say, because Holo Taco is calling this one World's First, I was a little thrown off by that because it definitely isn't the first, but I do have to say it is very, very opaque within that first coat, and same goes for the other 4 colors as well, but you will see that if you continue watching the footage because wow, these are insane. All of the colors I will be swatching for just one single coat on top of the quick dry base. Of course, make sure it is dry before going in with your colored polishes, but as you can see here, it is pretty much 99% opaque, and I didn't really have any like major issues with like dragging polishes or streakiness or anything like that because of using the brush. I did feel like there were still some streaks on there, but it really wasn't too bad in my opinion, especially for a first coat. Like holy effing shit. Like I actually like exclaimed a couple of times while applying these polishes. I was really impressed and I'm pretty much obsessing over it. This second polish is called Trophy Life. I think I did have like some kind of little crack in my gel polish top coat, or maybe it was like a very small like cat hair, but you can see a little line on my nail right here, so that doesn't have anything to do with the polish. It was just something in my gel overlay, or maybe even a loose cat hair that got stuck on there. You know, if you have cats or pets or any furry like pets around in your house, you know that their hair gets everywhere. So yeah, stuff happens, you know. Once again, Trophy Life, very nice muted gold polish. I like it. I'm not a big fan of gold. If I can choose, I would always go for like a silver or a rose gold, but this gold wasn't too shabby because it's a little bit more muted, a little bit more toned down. The third color is called Aqua Foil. Once again, so stunning, so opaque. I'm going to be like very repetitive in this video because every single color is gorgeous, opaque. They are a dream to work with. Just look at that. It isn't even that streaky for a chrome polish, like a metallic polish. I was so not expecting this collection to be this good. I'm just really like excited, enthusiastic, like, oh, this makes my nail polish heart beat faster. So I'm actually quite surprised to see that this collection, now I'm recording this voiceover and just on the same day recorded the footage. It is March 11th as we speak. When this video will go up, I think it will be the 20th already. But I was quite surprised to see that from today, March 11th, the collection isn't sold out yet. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. Maybe people are just a little bit like, I'm not really into the foily looking chromy metallic-y collections. Like seriously, if you're watching this video and you are like that, like, oh, this is not my cup of tea, just order it anyway because they are such a dream to work with, and you can actually mix and match these polishes really nicely with other polishes. I'm actually quite curious to see if I can do like a water marble with these as well, and just to like see and just what it will be like. I don't know, I'm just, a lot of ideas are like going around in my head already, and I'm just really excited. Next color I'm swatching already is called Iron Violet. You can see just one coat. It is like you can slap these on without even thinking about it. You just go swoosh 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 and you're done. Your nail is fully coated. Iron Violet is kind of like a violety lavendery kind of tone. I really like it. I know there are a lot of purple lovers out there as well that will be really into this. Of course, do keep in mind it is a metallic-y chromy polish, so once again, it's not everyone's cup of tea. Personally, I'm not a big fan either, like usually. But, you know, this collection is just doing something to me. I don't know. It's really grabbing my attention, and just working with them, oh, I got so excited. Then to finish off this entire collection, the fifth color is called Pink Steel. Of course, I love pinks and you can't go wrong with any pink nail polish in my opinion, especially not if it is this opaque. Like, oh my god, like chef's kiss for this collection. I don't know what it is. I'm just really excited. It's really gorgeous. The brush actually works quite nicely as well. It is a little bit more of a wider brush compared to the start of Holo Taco as a brand. They had a ton of really like narrow brushes, which isn't my personal favorite. So I'm really happy and applauding for the wider brushes as well. But yeah, this was already the entire new collection, plus the additional quick dry base. Definitely let me know what you think. The entire collection, including the quick dry base and the 5 colors, go for $82. You can get the colored polishes separately for $14 and the base for $12, as I mentioned before. So yeah, definitely let me know what you think. Have you purchased this collection? Have you gotten a couple of them? Let me know what your opinion is on these. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in my next video as well.